Here I got daily candles, 1 year chart for LABD. It's a 3 times leveraged ETF that tracks specific biotechs, big large cap ones. So this is wild. As you see, it was at like 28 before all the corona back in November, and then when all the stocks crashed in March or beforehand on that the 23rd, a little before the 23rd actually, it was up to 28 bucks, but since then it has gone all the way down to $4.39. Go to 5 years, I mean, look at this. It's just slowly gone down with the economy while all the stocks have slowly climbed. But that's when it got interesting in the let's go to 5 minutes now and go to 14 days. So it hit 426 and 443 before, and here we are at 430. So this is pretty much the lowest it's ever been. You got to understand, this is a reset every day. It's an ETFs, not stock. So let's go over this. Here's the actual overview of what it is. It tracks these stocks right here. So it's Regeneron, whatever it is, pharmaceuticals at 2.7%, Moderno at 2.65%, Gilead Sciences at 2.43%, and Vertex Pharmaceuticals at 2.3%. And it tracks these bearishly. So when these go up, this goes down 3 times the percent, and when these go down, the opposite, this goes up 3 times the speed. So why this has caught my eye is, now look, I'm gonna go over, I got all these popped up already. So check this out, the top one, Regeneron, and I got the over here, I got the 1 year chart. Look at the chart, 1 year. So look, the next one, Moderno, look at the 1 year. Gilead, look at the 1 year. It's the only one that's pulled back pretty much. Vertex, look at that. And here's Biogen. So you guys get my point. We go through them all, but all these stocks have gone. And I think the reasoning is that when that market crashed, these didn't, because people figured, hey, these are going to be the solves, the vaccines. They were thinking ahead of time. And then while everything else was crashing and looked bad and trying to recover, these were already at those levels. And as the SPY had its like best month in like 80 years, and the Dow had its best month ever, it followed the market with the algorithms and just kept pushing. So here we are at all-time highs on these. But my reasoning for these, to be bullish on this, is, let's be realistic here. 1 or 2 of these companies is going to come out with a vaccine, most likely. I'm not for sure, but I mean, it could be one of these companies. It's not off the table. But not all of these companies are going to make money. I guarantee it. I doubt more than 1 or 2 of them will. Could be none. So in the long run, these really have to recover. There's going to be a target on shorts. I mean, look at this. February 19, now it's 70. What happens if they don't come out something? It's going to be the easiest short ever. And everyone's going to target them. Especially if we fall into a recession and the market doesn't look good for a long time. Also, if the market recovers, there's going to be so many bottom plays. There's not going to be many buyers that will be loading these up here as this almost like a bubble. It's like a biotech COVID bubble. It's been exacerbated by the feds pushing the SPY. So what I'm thinking on this, move this. I can't tell you exactly when I think this is going to go down. If They're just gonna keep pumping up this Moderno stock and stuff. But I do see that you can get $4.50 calls, $5 calls, and $5.50 calls, $6 calls. So I'm loading all 4 of those, staggering them between May 29th, which I'll take profits as soon as I get. I got some on June 5th. And as we get closer, I'll throw some on June 12th. And I'm just going to keep nothing crazy, nothing I can't afford to lose. But I think when these start coming down, this is going to be a gold mine right here. And that's why I'm sharing this. I think this is a real good play. It's going to be like SPXS in the 9s, like I keep preaching. When the market dumps and it flies to 11 and your calls go up 300%. I think we get these $5 calls. We catch this one, it rises to 6 or 7. And that's big money. Or you just play the shares. You load here at 430 and you sell it, and you try to sell, 5, 6 in the future. But obviously, as these are leverage ETFs, they're not meant to be held long term, and there's tight risk management is necessary. But I would recommend everyone keep a good eye on this.